Do you want to find where you are on Google Maps? Then you are in the right place. Here is how you can do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. How to find where you are on Google Maps on smartphone. Open Google Maps, launch the Google Maps app on your device. Look for the target-shaped icon, often referred to as the Your Location button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the button if the icon is gray. Tap it to turn it blue. This action will center the map on your current location, which will be indicated by a blue dot. Allow location access if prompted. Grant Google Maps permission to access your location. This is necessary for the app to accurately determine where you are. View your location. The map will zoom in on your current position, showing a dark blue dot for your exact location and a translucent blue circle indicating the possible range of your location. How to find where you are on Google Maps on desktop. Go to the Google Maps website in your web browser. At the bottom right corner of the map, click on the Show Your Location or My Location icon. If you haven't already enabled location services for your browser, you may receive a prompt to do so. Follow the instructions to allow Google Maps to access your location. The blue map will display your current location marked by a blue dot. You can right-click on this dot to get more information, such as the address or coordinates of your location. Allow Google Maps location permission. To center the map where you are, you should give Google Maps permission to find your location. On your PC, press Windows plus I keys to open Settings. Then select Privacy and Security. Then select Location. Turn on the toggle for location services. Scroll down and you can turn on Let Desktop Apps access your location if you want to. Also check if the default location is set. This helps Windows apps and services to use your default location when they cannot detect your precise location. It is not set default. Grant the permission when asked. And there you have it, the way to find where you are on Google Map. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.